Hello friends, welcome to Tips and Tricks in Mathematics. This is for class 10 students and the topic of discussion is polynomials. This is the third video on this particular topic. In the previous two videos, we discussed or focused upon the basics or concepts and the hot questions. The links of those videos are given in the description box. In this particular video, we focus on the MCQ problems. In the first problem, we need to find a quadratic equation whose roots are -3 and 4. If two roots of a quadratic equation are given, then the quadratic equation can be determined as x square minus sum of the root x plus product of the roots. So what is sum of the roots? -3 plus 4, which is 1. And what is the product of root? -3 into 4, which is -12. So the equation is x square minus x minus 12. Option C is the correct answer. In the second problem, if one of the zeros of the quadratic polynomial p minus 1 into x square plus px plus 1 is -3, then we need to find the value of p. So what is 0 of a polynomial? 0 of a polynomial is given as -3. So it means if we put -3 in this quadratic equation, the result will be 0. So let us put that and check. So this is the quadratic equation. We substitute -3 in that and make it equal to 0. So -3 square will be 9. 9p minus 9 minus 3p plus 1 will be equal to 0. So this will be 6p. 6p minus 8 equal to 0. 8 will take it on the RHS, it will become plus 8. So 6p equal to 8. So p will be 8 by 6, which is 4 by 3. So the correct option is B. Consider a polynomial p of x, 2x cube plus 3x square minus kx plus 8. If px equal to -1 equal to 21, then the value of k is. What does this mean? It means if the polynomial this p of x, then x becomes -1. In this polynomial, if we put x equal to -1, the value of polynomial is 21. So we need to put -1 here and then equate it to 21 and then get the value of k. So it will be like this: 2 into -1 cube plus 3 into -1 square minus k into -1 plus 8 is equal to 21. 21 is given here. So this will be -2 plus 3 plus k plus 8 equal to 21. Simplifying gives k equal to 12. So option A is the correct answer. The zeros of the quadratic polynomial 4x square minus 12x plus 9 are. Now we can use the factorization method to get the roots. Here we split the middle term in such a way that the sum is -12 and the product is 4 into 9 is 36. Again I repeat, split the middle term in such a way that sum is -12 and product is 4 into 9, which is 36. So how do we split that? We split it as -6x minus 6x. So which is -12x, which is correct. And -6 into -6 is 36. 4 into 9, 36. So the splitting is complete. Now we can take 2x as the common. So 2x into 2x minus 3 minus 3 into 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So again 2x minus 3 can be taken common. So we will get roots as 2x minus 3 equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 equal to 0. So x is 3 by 2 and for this case also x is 3 by 2. That means both the roots are equal. The correct option is C. A quadratic polynomial whose one zero is 6 and the sum of zeros is 0. If one of the root is 6 and the sum is 0, that means other root is minus 6, because 6 minus 6 is 0. So the two roots are 6 and minus 6. Now it is easy to find the quadratic polynomial, that is x square minus sum of the root x plus product of the roots. So 6 and minus 6 are the roots, so their sum, and the product 6 into minus 6 minus 36. So 6 minus 6, this term x term will go, so we will be remaining with x square minus 36. So option B is the correct answer. If the sum of the zeros of the polynomial p of x equal to x square minus 14x square minus 2x minus 12 is 1, then find the value of k. Sum of the zeros is given by minus b by a. The sum of the polynomial is minus b by a, which is given as 1 in the present problem. So what is b term here? B term is minus 2. And what is a term? K square minus 14. So we substitute here minus 2 divided by k square minus 14 equal to 1. Solving for k, we'll give it as k as plus minus 4. So the correct option is A. Find the number of zeros from the graph. So how do we find number of zeros for any graph or curve? For this particular curve, we need to find where this curve intersects the x-axis. So let us start from here. So it is intersecting one point, it is intersecting here 2, it is intersecting here 3, it is intersecting here 4. So 4 times it is intersecting the x-axis. So the number of zeros will be 4. The correct option is D. If alpha and 1 by alpha are the zeros of the polynomial 4x square minus 2x plus k minus 4, then we need to find the value of k. If these are the zeros, if we take sum alpha plus 1 by alpha, that is minus b by a. But here k terms is in the c part. Ax square plus bx plus c part. So if we take sum, this expression is not coming into the picture. To bring k minus 4 into the picture, we must take product of the roots. That is alpha into 1 by alpha is c by a. That is product of the root is c by a. C is k minus 4 by 4. And also when we multiply alpha and 1 by alpha, we get the product as 1 and alpha is also removed. So we must take product of the root as c by, which is alpha into 1 by alpha, so which is 1. So k minus 4 by 4 c by a, k minus 4 by 4 is equal to 1. So with this we get k as 8. Option B is the correct answer. Friends, with this we conclude the video. I request you to please subscribe my channel and give a thumbs up to this video. Thank you very much, friends.